and short. And you see me, man, well ugly, double ugly, triple ugly. Dance like out of time, dance like out of Ellie
Where's dance like what? So, what go on, peeps? Every mate I come up with some epiphanies, and you already know that I've told you many times that Jamaicans are...
Yeah, Jamaicans are awesome people. They are seemingly great at everything. They are great at sports. They are great at music. They are great at education. They are great at arts. And the list goes on and on.
But I've just come to the realization that if you want something to be sold, get a Jamaican to promote it. Or, better yet, get a Jamaican to sell it. You know, like maybe on Fiverr. Hint, hint. But anyways, Jamaicans are the best salespeople. If you don't believe me, watch them video. Watch them video. Watch the video. Wait especially for the school youth.
And if you wonder why I'm filming in my bathroom, it's not a bathroom. I'm a studio.
I'm a studio.
If you wonder why I have something on my nose, I have cold.
Yeah, is that in here though?
Let's see how go on. Grab up.
The career flourishing, you know, these are the things that you should be cherishing, you know. Too many people perishing, you know. See, they talk quick, you know, bicycle really move swift, you know. The woman and tell you when they are drift, you know. You think of the tears from the crib, you know. See, the lyrics that come out of the computer chip, you know. Health over wealth, you know. Want some change, you know, everything looks strange, you know. Want to come like a vision, you know, the man have to make them decision, you know. Teacher be pretty too long division, you know, so they might make too much wrong decision, you know. Young boy, look on the color of the juice, them. Pick and choose them. Whether foot and shoes, them. Health and wealth, you know. Right on for right after. Young boy, which one you take up? Too much relationship and mash up. Give me a bill. Give me a bill. Now make sure the price is affordable.
Bill see two of them.
Yo, 2 bills see 2 of them. See the health and your wealth, you know. Peanut and blend up. Remember, say it's not a bad juice affair, you know. The coming up the Lord is near. Wow, and the quality, remember, say you never buy none from here to the road, boy. Yo, see the other people in there. Come like a vision, you know. Come like a vision, you know. I want to make him decision, you know. He's a youth that respect religion, you know. See it there, you know. Big him up, you know. Don't give him up, you know. As he reach up, there's a woman and lift him up, you know. See it there, you know. Health and your wealth, you know. Don't get to me right off, you know. I want the money I ride off. You want to drop a woman and slide off. You want a shallow water and go dive off. Come, my father. The year you have to work harder. Color the lettuce and string in. You want to hear a woman scream out. See it there, you know. When people, them, when the whole of her body line out. See it after your finger, them not join out. Pretty girl, I love your smile, you know, darling. Perfect me from my mind. Look how you're blessed. See that? Look from your head to your chest. Can you imagine the rest? Now the Lord know what is best. Anyway, now if you ride off, you know, come like a decision, you know, regardless of your religion, you know. Joke,
Me want to take, man. Me want to take. Me want to take.
Me believe you, darling. So true that don't make him deceive you.
This hour.
See, the only thing him fear think about is to please you, hold you and squeeze you. See, it's how my people,
This
say
hour.
that. The one of the Irish mash, Linseed and Medina.
Yeah.
And the comfortable reading the cleaner. Give me a bill.
I want
the terribly, you know, make you talk in a parable, you know. Tell them literally enough, now I hear nothing spiritual, you know. Till them condition get critical. Tell me if me logical. Now them some lyrical. God have to go save them like the prodigal. Yo, what my people them then? Look in our fridge, young boy, because remember I know you want live. Cash a peanut and pumpkin. By the time look, she want something. Bird can't fly for one way. How we trying to take up? Yo, which one you take up? Too much relationship and mash up. Yeah, you back them thing you have to stack up. Wipe the screw them slack up. She say you close them to pack up. See it there, the young boy shot.
Where?
She say she want a magnum, because remember I said woman them hard for coming up. See it there, no? Look here, you hurt them enough. Some of them not even tell you say you're welcome, you know. Come here, mommy, remember you're welcome. See it there, come here, darling.
Yeah, what?
Love how you look, especially your foot. When you go in there for cook. See it there, where my people them there. See it there, no?
Everybody who not see me here, I sell the peanut, they sell them cheap with discount price. So the more you buy, the less you pay. Me sell one for 56 for 300. Plus me sell with guarantee. If you buy and you eat it and your belly don't feel good and your mind tell you say peanut can't you don't you can bring it back. You get back your money after most of bring it back to church. Amen. So me have that with the church and that without the church and that with the salt and that without the salt and that with the sugar and that without the sugar. Signify so this is and diabetic and me never raise it. But just read every minute for me to drop it.
Daddy. You want top 10 life and Shelly, so you got Shelly soft and Shelly got your soft. You want spirulina, Ramona, Medina, Changbak, Sassy, Perilla. Front end lift a tape jar, rip up sheet, break down bed tape, mattress, jab, two blow job, and nice sell, make you still a do it. Anybody children now resemble them? Any propeller spin, any plane now lift? You want to tell life and shelly?
This is named spirulina. Spirulina build up a confident, kill cancer cell, build up immune system, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, stimulate the sex drive. Make when you wake up a man, take you on your belly, have the on your side. The boy looks so much hide.
Yo! Spirulina, big spirulina by you.
You can't say it over here.
This is the okra tuna coconut water. This is one good for back pain, joints pain, poor blood circulation, arthritis, build up sperm count. Make when you let go water and a whole flood out.
Sure.
This is one named the Bokopina.
Oh yeah,
This is one Bokopina, a straight up.
Yeah.
That's why I say I saw pearl of blood with strain root, strong backward peanut, thinking to merengue, molasses, noni, shea, maca, and dopey gun. Pumpkin seed and sunflower seed. So you know, so this is everything, this is the power.
So that's one whole meal.
So make when all the morning time you put one wet rag pan, you can't go down, you just stand up straight. So.
Look at the figure, good for your kidney and your liver. Them sound the jack can deliver. Think them clever when them rob the man, them treasure. See the while the Bible say you can live forever. Bitters, allow the flitters, them thing I increase your powers. See and take more and slippers. Yo, when my people them there, you for choose, you know. Not no their shows, you know. People stubborn and no want to move. Always I look for excuse. Next news. You think the car can drive without the fuse? Foot no want to do without the shoes. Or some house are stubborn all now $100 no more. Yo, Satan, natural. Give me a pie. Natural juice in a pine, you know, with everything. The cucumber and stringy, no sugar. You have to tell them literal. Them know why you're not lyrical. Rasta man, you get dreams and you get vision when you're up on your mission. Yo, yeah, well, so I want to have no change. Things start to look strange.
Yeah, them never come out. Yeah, them never come out.
But you can't find no change. Come like everything gets changed. Young boy, which one you take one? Fine. The Bible says that seek you shall find. What I'm going to do never born blind.
And now for our feature presentation.
Off your bro. Bluff you then know see a damn girl present them first cake sale December the 20th, see me? Just for impress, see me? A bro for your bro, my friend, in association with old kid and a short, and you see me? Man, well ugly, double ugly, triple ugly, dance like out of Charles, dance like out of Ellie Selassie. Hey! Don't know see out of West Street from the bar field, see me? Bluff for your bro. Bluff.
Thanks for watching. If you like it, share it with a friend. And definitely think about subscribing for more content like this. Peace. Again, thanks so much for watching my videos. If you want to send some more help my way, be sure to support me on Patreon, and I'll make sure to mention your name in every video that I produce. It's patrons like you that keep me doing the good work that I do. Thanks again. Peace.